Welcome. Today on the test bench, I have a Blue Sea System 12-volt DC distribution circuit breaker panel. This particular model is the 8023, which has spots for 8 total circuit breakers. Comes installed with 5 and blank spots for 3 more. So we've got it powered up to some bench power here. I don't have any labels on yet, but you can see when it's powered up. It gives you a nice light that's going to show you at night so you can read all your different labels. Really nice circuit breakers that are 2 functions. One, they're switching devices, so you turn on and off your devices, and they act as circuit breakers as well. On the back side of this panel, you can see I've got my pre-installed circuit breakers. Then I've also got slots for the next 3. I've got a nice DC bus, and then I also have a DC ground bus, which isn't really a concern on my little sailboat with an outboard motor. But if you have a inboard motor with a metal shaft that is grounded, you can run into concerns with stray currents and eating up metals and sacrificial zincs. So I'm not going to cover that here, but that's the purpose of your second bus there, is for the DC actual earth ground or to the water ground system. Overall, it's a really nice panel. It's going to replace the existing panel, which is just switches and some fuses. On my boat, didn't have enough slots anyhow, so needed to expand. My biggest complaint on this one, you've got pretty nice lug connections on the DC bus. I'm going to run a 4-gauge wire to it, and I like these FTZ lugs. They're really high quality, thick, heavy lugs that carry a lot of current. But the downside is they don't really have a good connection on the positive bus for these lugs. This lug is definitely not oversized. It's going to interfere with the breakers, as you can see here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have to take a Dremel to this or what the best way to connect this lug is here, because it's just too big for the size of the bus connection that they give you. So my biggest complaint, really wish they had a bigger lug connection for bringing in the power on the positive bus. But besides that, really nice panel, made of metal. They hold up really well in marine environments and look really sharp. So that's the 8023 DC Blue Sea panel.